I hear it. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna get it.
And how the heck did you get 2?
Okay, so we're back here. I have to stop because can you actually like stop and get out?
I'm gonna mix up the meters.
Bro, stop! I'm literally recording.
Bye-bye, Red.
Okay. We are here!
Bye-bye.
We're going back and don't snap us. Oh shoot. Okay, I dropped it. So, let's go!
Binge on you.
Stop!
Yeah.
Bro, you're so annoying.
You ready to land a nuke? Goo. Nah.
People get down.
How dare you? Woo!
Okay, so we're gonna place that
How
right
dare
there.
you try to-
Stop! No!
I
No!
need a job. I'm unemployed.
Bro, stop it!
I'm unemployed.
Stop doing that! I left my camera up there!
Money.
Yo, stop! I left my
How you get
camera up
through?
there!
Big snowball.
Please. I need money to feed my
We
family.
only have 1.
Bro! I left my camera up there!
I'm out of here.
Stop!
Ow.
Guys, kill Brooke. Kill Brooke.
That's it.
Bro, stop! I'm literally recording.
Get Brooke.
That's what you get!
Yeah, he knocked off Gru. He knocked off. Who wants to land a nuke on people? Gru. I'm Gru.
Bro, I'm literally, I have to record. Stop!
I kind of want to get away from that.
Stop! You're so annoying. Stop! You're recorded right now.
Please, my family needs me. I want 20 jobs. This is my highest paying job, and I need it. Good.
Bro. Okay, we're back. Let's go. Let's go to mountains. Oh, where am I going? Oh shoot, I'm crashing out. Why did it kick me out? I got kicked from the game. This so chinga. Get out! I wanna go see Lucy. Bro, can this stop loading? Okay. Okay, we're back. What was that? Okay, so we're back. Where are my cosmetics? I need my cosmetics back. Give me them. Okay, anyways. So we're going back to mountains. Ooh. Icicles. Okay, let's go back. This is so dumb. Okay, let's go back here. Which is kind of weird. Okay, let's get this. Now we're back. The same spot because my game crashed. Because my game crashed. Actually. So I didn't like that. And now here we are. We are in the mountains. And we're gonna trick people.
Who did?
Get out, bro! Get out! Okay, now we're back. That was a workout.
Not work.
Bro, he's skippity toilet.
Come on, man. This game doesn't work.
I can't even understand you.
Shut up, bro. Whoever's talking like that, bro.
Okay, we're back up.
Bitch ass up.
I'm coming.
I'm gonna go down this.
Okay, let's go back up. This one throws a snowball. And we just...
No.
Oh, skippity toilet. Oh, he disappeared.
Freaking game sucks.
I remember that one time that I was up here alone by myself, and there was no. What? You trying to
What
hit
the heck?
God, man. Come on, man. Come on.
Okay, we're gonna...
die, bro?
Wow. I'm leaving. I'm done.
Okay, we need a... Okay, let's...
I just did that.
You want to see my
Get up.
I'm dead for
I'm
it.
gonna for you if you don't stop it. Launch guy.
Bro.
Back my. Oh yeah, guys. Actually,
Okay, I'm gonna put more.
Who keeps launching people off the map? Conge West. No, I just went
Okay.
off the spot. I hate it.
Stop!
How did that
Why
not
would
work?
you
It's
drop
really
me,
annoying.
bro?
People are gonna start launching
No!
stuff.
I didn't mean
No!
Please, no more.
No!
Just give me like 12 minutes, okay?
Ugh. Those things are a big pack, bro. They look like queso.
12 minutes! I can't do.
Come this way.
You know,
Why does
basically,
everyone
you're
call
not
queso
funny.
fat?
You're just annoying. You think you're funny, but you're not.
Bro.
He's really funny. He's actually really funny.
This is
You
like...
are so funny. You're not. You're annoying.
Okay, bro, get out. Stop.
I like to stay up here. Who just did that?
Squidward.
Okay, back.
Rape.
Bro, you're literally gonna fall.
You and my balls together to make one balls. Hey, yo.
Bro, stop.
Is it something I said? No!
Okay, we're gonna...
Blue.
Nah. Okay. We're just throwing snowballs.
Hey,
We look like this. You absolutely...
Hey!
Stop! Bro, you're so annoying.
I got him for you. Yeah. I got green off. No. Black, I helped you. Black, I helped you. Black with no hat. Not you. This black.
You know what? I'm gonna push. Because you're just being so annoying. Okay. My camera is still down here. I'm gonna show you this guy. This really annoying guy. Right there.
I can see you, little tornado.
Bro, stop.
Please don't. I'm building a big. Okay, wait, don't hit him. Don't hit him. He didn't want. What the?
That's what you get.
Okay, that's actually funny.
Let's go.
We're going here. Die!
Something's happening. No. Dun 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 dun. You're so bad. Oh, what the hell?
Are you?
I got someone.
I don't want to be here anymore. I want to get out. I want to.
Please,
No, I am really broke. I am broke. I only have
Whoever's the top three poorest people, 16. And I need you more than ever. Let me see how much money you have.
Bro, someone put something in there. Someone put something in there.
Number 3.
Here, so, guys, wait, where's the other guy? Oh, wait, get down here, says, I will buy you all those items.
Bro, someone put something over there. Someone put something over there.
Join the code 77UI. Oh,
77UI.
what's the code? 77UI. 77UI. Oh, 77UI.
What's the point of
And then O.
Bro, someone put something in there.
Not die! How did I not die, bro? How did I not die? Dude, I swear.
Can I have it? Give me that.
There's nothing in there, bro.
Green.
No.
Check if you have a lock. Check.
Oh my god. I want to go get that.
Right here.
Right here?
Okay. You look if you have everything on. If it's unlocked. Do you see it? So weapons. Right here. Oh, I have 2. Smart control. You're welcome.
Hi, mister.
I'm gonna go sell this. I don't know.
Hi, Mr. Polar Bear.
No, this server's insane. Never mind, it's full. That's not the code, it's just full. Hey, don't you say that!
Bro, you're gonna die.
You're gonna die.
Like, watch this.
I'm gonna go over here. Sorry, I'm just like beating this truck.
Bro, dummy!
Who wants a match with me? Who wants to come on a match?
Red watch!
Come on, Red Watch! Hey, before you... Oh, shoot. Fuck you, Nick. No! Oh, he just said the N-word like 3.
Yo, kill him.
Nah, bro, I'm the good side. I'm the good side.
I'm in the good side, too. I'm in the good side. Bro, pull
Polar
up
Bear,
it.
we're in the good side.
Right? Pull up it. We're in the good side, right?
Like, literally nothing in my backside.
We're both in the good side. Are they loaded?
I'm gonna rape him.
I'm really listening.
Are they loaded?
We were in the good side. Why you blow us up?
Yeah, before we were in the thick of it.
Yeah. Who just hit that? Want to kill you?
I'm in the thick of it. Everybody knows.
Bro, how do you?
I end up think of it.
Hey, Mr.
Manny man.
Everybody knows.
I hate your freaking song.
Red watch.
I'm in the thick of it. Everybody knows that I come on.
Yo!
Let's go. Take us back.
Oh, sure, I got 4,000.
Give me that bag. Give me that apple and give me that bag. Bro, that's really mine.
No. What are you gonna do about it, buddy? What are you gonna do about it? I kill you.
It's mine.
Who are you nods? Hello, mister. Hello, mister. Give me that ass.
Give me that. Yeah.
Give me that ass. Give me that ass. Give me that ass. Give me that ass. You still there?
Oh, hell no.
Oh, who just hit me? Stop! Hey, you Red Watch! I'm in the thick of it!
Think of it, everybody knows. I end up thinking, I'm in the thick of it.
Can you buy me ammo? Can you buy me ammo?
Bro, give me that.
You can buy me
I'm in the
ammo?
thick of it. Everybody knows. I'm what I gotta say. Gotta clap cheeks.
Can someone buy me ammo? Can someone buy me ammo?
I'm in the thick of it. Everybody knows.
You
I
ready,
really
guys?
like to clap
You,
cheeks. Everybody knows.
Hang, you. Can you buy me ammo? Can you buy me ammo?
I really like that thick of it.
Where's the ammo? I need
I
ammo.
like clapping cheeks up.
Here. Look behind you, Brown.
Yeah!
You're gonna give me ammo. Okay, give me ammo. Why is there so many grenades?
Don't worry what it is.
Kill him, bro!
Kill him.
What up, Papu? What up, Papu?
What is that?
Kill him, kill him.
What's up, Battle?
Kill him, kill him.
I'm gonna kill you so I can get that.
You gonna kill me so you can get this?
Yeah, I like that long sword.
You like it? Come kill me then.
Level 10 gear.
You should get out if I were you.
I am. If I was you, you would probably be scared.
No, somebody come right here. Somebody come right
Stop
here.
it.
Right here.
My God. My God, Bato. Oh yeah.
It costed me money.
Can't give me that one here or something. Hey, can you buy me revolver ammo?
Guys, give my guns back.
Can you buy me a revolver?
Hey, do Bato, will you kill me, Bato?
Let's go.
Blato!
Hey, can I have some leftover gun? Can I have the gun? Can I have the leftover gun? What's up, bro? I'll kill him. Don't worry.
Guys, kill him!
Yeah, kill him. Kill him. Hit him with the baseball.
Kill him? Who? Kill who? Kill who? Ah! Kill the long sword!
Oh shit, bro. Holy shit, man.
Why would I kill him? What did he do?
You're not even Red Watch.
Why
So
would
we
I
can't
kill
kill
him?
you. How is this guy not Red Watch? We can't even kill him.
Plug out VR. Get off VR, and I'm killing these kids in this game.
You give me revolver ammo?
Bro, I don't have revolver ammo.
Now he's Red Watch.
Can
I
just see it real quick?
Yo, why do you have bombs in this?
I'm playing with these kids in random lobby.
Bro, no! You're not getting the revolver! Get it!
I know how to. No, he didn't say he that was gonna get him back on. He didn't say.
Who stole my ammo? Yeah, come on.
Damn, his ass is clean.
Damn, bro. Hey, you get away! Yo, get away!
Before one of you guys is grappling to get my own grappling, and I'll give it back to you.
Beat him up, beat him up. A freaking stick? Well, that's a nice thing.
That's pretty smart.
freeze this bus! Kiss them all.
I need her. Oh, hey you. My good sir. What is that watch on?
gun back.
Why's your
Hello,
amigo?
It's a new model.
Oh wait, let me see. That's crazy.
It's a new model.
Let me see. Can I see if it's reloaded?
No.
Can I see if it's reloaded?
Can
Can I see if it's reloaded? Give it to me. You don't know how to do it. Look, it's like this. Look, no. Let me see in the middle. Stop moving it. There's no ammo. Can I have it? At least can I have it? There's no ammo. Dude, let me have it, bro. You don't have ammo. Come on.
It's a murderer.
It's a murderer on the night.
I got murdered on my
There's nothing in there. I'm pretty sure there's nothing.
He got launched.
My bad, bro.
It was just a silly prank. Hey, I'm gonna need the umbrella, my good sir.
No.
Yeah, my good sir.
My good sir, I'm gonna.
Fry.
Loaded. Alright, so I gotta do target practice. Well, hold on, I gotta find 10 targets. Let's go look for 10 targets. I know they got one right here.
Wait, guys, I know where a target is. I know where a target is.
Look.
Where's my donation?
They got
I know
right
where
here.
all of them
Get
is.
this one.
I know where all of them is. I know where all of them is.
Yo,
I know where every single one is.
Please donate to me. Please. No, I don't want to hear that.
Mess with me.
No, give me it.
I gotta hit it with a snowball.
What is that? Mess with me.
Everything helps. Please donate.
Alright, yeah, you gotta hit it with a snowball. You gotta hit it with a snowball.
Everything changed. Please donate. Can I have that? Oh my god, holy shit.
I don't know what it is, but I'm excited.
Got it.
Please donate. Anything helps. Where's the monster at? Where's the monster? Oh, I know the monster's at. Over there.
I want the
I know the monster's
You guys would run.
Okay, everyone line up in a circle.
Brother, you're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Where are the monsters?
No.
Yeah, you wanna go in the tunnel? No, you have to go in there.
Grab.
Look, I will throw this. Look.
Hey, come here. Where's the robot? Where's the robot monster?
You know right here, right? I can't click it because I need over there.
gem.
That's where it is.
No, that's the reward. We need to hit 10 targets.
Over there.
We gotta go find 10 targets. We
Yeah,
just
I
found
know.
one. Let's go
Guys,
find the other one.
I know where it is. Where'd it go?
Did you hit that one?
Add it in there.
Wait,
No, not yet.
Wait, why did this appear like that?
lead me to
Guys, who wants to see my mango powers? Who wants to see my
come
mango
on.
powers?
Not working. Why did this appear?
I can
You
get you
need
to
to
the
throw your
monster.
snowball at it.
Let's go.
Oh, yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do.
Oh, now you gay as hell. Nah, I'm leaving.
Now
that shit.
still here, man.
I'll give you a bag. What kind of bag?
Want to see what it has in it?
I
Let's
don't
check.
care.
What is it?
Brown bag?
Don't got none.
Can I just get a...
Who needs a bag? Who needs a bag? Who needs a bag?
Me. I need one. I need one.
I need one.
Yo, can I get one? Oh, thank you, bro. You W-mans, bro. W-mans. Bro.
Yeah, I got you.
Yo,
I got you. I got you. Hey, you
Got
have a
it,
bag
got
right
it,
now,
got
so
it.
you can't put it on
Come
your
on.
back.
Let's go look for the other
Oh,
one.
I can take it and then I can replace all my stuff. W-mans. Yeah,
I got so much money.
Let's go look for it.
Whoa, hey Green, what you saying that for, my boy?
Yes,
Not you.
Hold
I was talking to my friend.
Hey, yo, you want this bad one? Yo.
Now who wants this? One of y'all can
Me.
take it. Me.
What's up?
I want an RPG. Who said
You
that?
want this?
Do y'all want to see my mango
right here.
powers?
Huh?
Mango.
I want the RPG.
I'm still up here.
Why you want this?
Come here. Who said they would give me an RPG? I want an RPG.
Oh, wait, you want a grappler? Here you go, man. Here you go, man. There's a grappler, man.
Hello.
I got
Yo.
you, man. Don't worry, I got you, man.
No, I said I wanted the RPG.
Yo,
I said I wanted
there's
the
a
RPG.
I don't have anything.
I'll get
I'm
you.
broke. Oh, wait, yeah, dude, never mind.
No,
There you
let's
go.
make it fair, square.
Ooh, I guess I do have that. Anyways, yeah, you can have that. Oh, yeah, do you want to, whatever else is in here, y'all can have. You can have that extra grappler if y'all want. Oh, no, man.
Yo,
We're
what's
peace
that
over here. We're all
grappler?
peaceful. We are not all peaceful. We are not all peaceful.
You made it?
I'm just a chill dude. Yo, guys. Guys, there's a guy. No, yo. You right here. There's a guy.
actually ready to do this. If you go down there, no, you're
Just get
Okay, what is going on? I forgot I was recording the
Skibbity
whole
toilet
freaking
riz.
time.
Alright, who wants to come with the monster? Who wants to come? Who wants to come with me to the monster?
I don't want to come.
What?
What
Oh,
the
no, I don't want to die.
Yo.
Can I have a grappler, please?
No, no,
I
thank
need
you.
it.
No, thank you.
You literally have 2 of them.
Yeah, because I
Yeah,
like
bro,
it.
you have 2 of them, bro. What's good with you, bro?
I don't care. Dun 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 dun. I am so toxic. Okay, let's see what the world is. It's gonna be a long, long time. Wee. Oh my god! I got 2 grapplers.
Give my iPad now.
Give me
like
gosh,
I'm doing that shit. Back in the day, baby. Meet me halfway.
Purple.
No, don't break my iPad. I'm gonna kill you.
Don't go out there.
Broke your iPad.
Purple. Someone got the red flashlight. Go side. Someone got the red flashlight.
No, why?
I have 3 more.
I dare you.
No.
No, you won't die. You have a freaking grappler.
How would I would do that shot thing if you come here. I'll do that shot.
Hey, look, can anyone give me RPG ammo? Oh my gosh.
see you trying to.
Hey, how do you work this?
I need RPG ammo. You don't have any
I think I have
RPG
a
ammo.
dig.
You need to get RPG ammo.
How do you want to do dashing?
Someone give me RPG ammo.
I want the blue
Let me
boom
get you
bag.
some ammo.
I want the blue boom bag.
I
I can touch this crap.
Yo, I was scared to go outside.
Too fast, my butt does.
Once,
That's a reason why that's
Oh,
not
red
in
book
pro
bag.
yet.
I'm too fast, my butt does.
You know what? I'm gonna
No, you
go
don't.
to the
I know you're lying.
I'm gonna go.
once this backpack.
Hey, watch this. This man just called someone a
Open
V
it.
word. I'm gonna go kill him real quick. Oh, we're so
Okay,
close.
I'll dump this out. Grab everything you want. Hold on.
Bow! Oh my gosh.
Oh! It's mine.
He's
You
a red
should
watch.
grab whatever
He's a
you
red
want.
watch.
Yo, give me my iPad back so I can do
He's
that
a red
something.
watch.
I need to
This
do
is
that
a red
something. Give me my
watch.
backpack. Give me my
He's
iPad
a
back.
red watch.
Blue, don't
Are you
close
trying to
it.
make me
iPad.
red?
Oh my gosh. No, give me it back. I want to do that something.
I
want to do that something.
That's all I have.
Oh my gosh. I want to do that something.
You know what? I'm bored.
Give me a bag.
You
Give
was
me a
trying to
bag.
give me that, man.
Ouchie.
Bro, it's so pathetic. Now we're gonna stop